Hello, very good afternoon, dear 8th class children. Now, actually, the idea was to have the understanding laws chapter, but I got to know that the exam dates have been revealed to you. You know the exams now, so you need to have the idea about the syllabus, the pattern of question paper. For that, I have taken the live here. I'll be taking only that much, and I'll just take that 10 minutes to explain about the syllabus and about the pattern, the question paper pattern. Fine. And we do not have a live class till Saturday. Saturday is Ganesh Chaturthi, so we cannot take a class on Ganesh Chaturthi. And I don't know how do I get to your revision. So I will use the YouTube from tomorrow. I'll come to it's Wednesday, Thursday. I'll come back to YouTube and I'll give you important things about each chapter. Is that going to be fine? Now let's go to the syllabus. I have put it in the group. Still, I would just say in here we have syllabus from April month to the month of July. We'll start with the resources, how, when, and where, from trade to territory, land, soil, water, natural vegetation, and wildlife. Indian Constitution, ruling the countryside, tribals, dicus, and vision of a golden age, when people rebel, and 1857 and after, and understanding secularism. So we have 2 political science chapter, 5 history chapters, and 2 geo chapters. We have more. How many we have? We have 5 to 7 to 10. Do we have 10? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. We have 9. So we have so many chapters. So don't worry about this one. And we are going to have a map also. Now I'm going to tell you the question paper structure. Last year you have written the 7th one. It's going to be the same here. We're going to have 1-mark questions. We are going to have 3-mark and a 5-mark question. 1 mark will be MCQs. You have written MCQs. Do you have any idea how the exam will be conducted? The exams are going to be conducted online. Like you are seeing me, you are seeing me in the YouTube, in the video. You have to open your video in Google Meet, preferably Google Meet. Nobody is going to take up WebEx. And when you see it in the YouTube, you have to sit in the Google Meet. It will be hosted by an invigilator, may not be me, somebody else who gets a duty. You have to open your camera, write your answer in 1 hour. The maximum marks is 40 marks. And you have to submit the paper. That is the end of your question paper. There is Swayamprabha now, I think, Dhanush. Then I'll wrap it up quickly. Go for the Swayamprabha. Dhanush, put out the link of Swayamprabha in the group. Swayamprabha is important. Social class now, I think. Why do we need a parliament? It's a good one. So I'll just wrap it up quickly. We are going to have the syllabus already mentioned. We're going to have a map for 3 marks. We're going to have MCQs for 10 MCQs or very less. I'll tell you about that one. MCQs for 1, 3 marks questions, 5-mark questions. And the answer that I would require would be, for every 3-mark question, I would require 4 points. And every 5-mark question, I would require 6 points. 6 points written in the form of points, not in a paragraph, not in a story, preferably in points. That is what I'm looking at. And tomorrow, when I come back into the YouTube, I'll go and check into, how can I check? I'll take, how about geography? I'll finish geography tomorrow, revision in the YouTube for 20 minutes. Or else you tell me when do we engage you in the class. It's on last day, so we might get a class before that one. We'll see. On Monday, preferably on Monday, 24th of August, we might get a class. So chalo, sirf itna hi bolna tha. Now Dhanush will put out a link in your group, the Swayamprabha channel, where the class is going to be there. So please do watch it. It is a very, very important to watch it. Agar samajh mein nahi aaya, camera needs to be focused on paper and I think face. पेपर में तो फोकस करेंगे तो दूसरों को दिखेगा ना कि आप लोग क्या लिख रहा है. Other people will know, no? Because उनका भी तो face पे, like imagine me talking to you. Yeah, I would be looking at the camera. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे देखूंगा, मैं लिख रहा हूँ, आई वुड बी लुकिंग लाइक दिस, मैं ऐसे दिखूंगा आपको, तो लाइक दैट। कॉपी नहीं करना है सर, 1 hour हाउ कैन वी राइट 40 मार्क्स? लिख सकते हैं, आसान है, आराम से लिख सकता है, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट वन। सर सेकंड एग्जाम इज सोशल, सेकंड एग्जाम सोशल है क्या? फाइन, तो चलो मैं अभी लाइव एंड करता हूँ। गो टू द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, यू विल गेट अ लिंक फ्रॉम धनुष, देन इन अ गूगल क्लासरूम आल्सो। Today I was going to have the live, so this is the live, so go to Swayam Prabha to watch that video. So if you have any questions, please put in your WhatsApp group or Google Classroom. I'll reply to all of your questions. So tomorrow we're going to revise the 3 geographic chapters, and on Thursday we're going to revise the history chapters. Fine. So till tomorrow, it's goodbye from me. Take care.